Okay, today we're going to program the perimeter and the area of an object. So I'm going to create a new class, Java class, which will be called test geometric object. So it's called, okay. Now from here we have a class, a public class. I just create a public class which is called test geometry object. And then next what I'm going to do is to create a public voids class and public voids function, which is yes, my keyboard is working slowly. Public static void main with a parameter of string main. I mean string arguments. The name is the arc name, but of a type string, an array of string. And then from here we get geometric object, which is a class. So we create an object, geometric object, geometric class, and then from the class you create a geometric object. And then we assign the geometric object into the assigned circle. We have a parameter of 5 into it. Now the same goes for another class, geometric object class, geo object 2, and let's call the first object geobject 1, and we assign it to a new rectangle which have a parameter of 5 and 3. And from here we can have system that out and print ln, and this is just a comment to output anything we want. So the two objects have the same area. There are two objects. I'm thinking about creating two new files for them. I'm not sure. Yeah, let's create a new file. We call geometric object. Is another class. We call an abstract class. ignore this. We will ignore this error right for now, and we go private string. We create a string of a private color. So we have a string of color, name is string, and we just assign white, the value of white, and we also create a boolean field. Yeah, a boolean value or the boolean of name field, which is private. And then we also going to get a library, utility library, and then we get create. Right. Another protected geometry, and this is just yeah, a constructor, and we will assign to create a new Java util. So it's a new date. So the new dates function gets assigned to this date create a variable. So this the job of this constructor is to get a date. Let's get a new protected field which has a two parameter, the color string parameter and the boolean parameter named field. It has the same boolean. We comes from right here. This is the same boolean fields, the same private boolean fields right here. It's a data, and we assign the date create new Java date. This color gets assigned. This is the color we just created, the private color string. We assign a new color string which has been passed as a parameter. This string color is not the same as the string color right here because this string color is the private. This color is the same private color which was initialized as white, but by calling the geometric object, we assign a new value of string color. And this goes with our fields as well. Also, we have a boolean fields which has been passed to uh, the protected function right here, and that protected boolean fields get passed to this fields private boolean. So why not we just initialize these two right here? We can just let's just ignore this error for now. Now we create a new public string function which is called getColor. So we are creating a getter for the color where we can get the color that's been initialized in the at length 3. So we will just return color, and this color is just the same as the same value as the color string color at line 3 that has been initialized with the white value string. Here we have a new function named getter to get the value string color. Get the value string color. Yeah. We have another function, public void, that is a setter. This resets the value of whatever color we had to a brand new value. So that brand new value is passed by parameters here, and we have this line of code which helps us to do that. So this color value comes for the parameter string color and is passed to the color, this color, which is actually the private string color that is at length 3. And let's see if you have enough time. It's 12 minutes.